Audio-Technica has been in the sound for a long while, known for its committed fans who cherish its line of wired earphones. Despite the fact that they've had a strong handle around there, remote is an absolutely new monster for them. However, one of its up-and-coming offerings is hoping to make some commotion for them. We halted by the organization's corner at the C showroom floor, to look at the Audio-Technica ATH-ANC700BT QuietPoint. Our early introductions are identified with its outline. On one hand, we cherish that it includes a collapsible plan that makes it simpler to bear in a knapsack when voyaging, yet its development is fairly offensive. That is somewhat astonishing truly, in light of the fact that Audio-Technica's line of wired earphones have premium qualities.